It's lucky.
This is our new friend, what we found,
I'm
knocking about.
Okay.
Do a little dance from
I'm not doing no dance.
Hunger.
Maybe I might. No, Bowie better.
The rewind! Yes, rap, exclusive selection, tennis press. Whistle massive, horse massive. Oh gosh. Desire. If you've been on the top of the world, jump on this world as well. Up my voice, I know what girls. If you've been on the top of the world, I'm listening to what you know the work. Blackbone, lyric and blood, I'm the rich, I'm not a spot. That would be like you know, I'm not being you up like the sun. Not gonna situation, I'll think the world. Who's my best, I'll work the first. I even do that, I can never hear something. Listen, I'm a king, never give us so much. I'm making it a mess. He's over there up on the earth. When the whistles with who's loud. No say, class. Anyway, I'm just so proud. Not so fast and not allowed. Not so fast and only proud. In the city, in the town. Keeping the vibes just spinning around. That's what I'm thinking the sound. Keeping it real underground with the drum and bass. I'm always down. If you're feeling on top of the world, jump on this, I will as well. I'm top of the no workers. If you're feeling on top of the world, what about no one but a roll? I make it up and I make it go say DJ. And for control, niggas the hit, niggas the bow. If you're feeling on top of the world, jump on this, I will as well. I'm top of the no workers. If you're feeling on top of the world. Birdie.
What's this? What's
This
this?
is George the Bird.
Bestiality.
That's him.
George the Bird.
What are you going to do with it, Dean?
Birdie, eat it.
Ace Ventura, Pet Detective.
Hello, my name's Oliver, and I'm a double Holly.
Good guy and tight diabol.
Oh, brilliant man. Brilliant man. So pobl yn gwybod am Cymru fel i news them. Iawn, pam nhw ennill yr Ryder Cup yn Ohio, pam nhw'n ennill yn America trwy dweud. Na, mae hwn yn wir o'n darlaethu. Nhw'n chwarae pob anthem o'r grŵps yn Ewrop, a nath nhw'n chwarae anthem Cymru, a dyma tua 6 o Gymru yna, nhw gyd yn chwarae'r anthem. And Ian Woosum, there's a lot fwy of Ian Woosum as a Christian, God's on his side.
O, mae o'n mynd i De Africa. Sun City, mae'n chwarae yn Sun City.
So?
Wyt ti'n cefnogi apartheid?
Ynddo. Yeah. I love it. That's my best. So, so ni'n cael lot allan. Dyna di a Cymru. Dyna di Cymdeithas Iaith sy'n gwared ar Saesau allan o Cymru.
Fysa ni'n chwarae Sun City? Fysa ni'n chwarae Sun City?
I mean, it's money, ti'n ma?
Mae neges dyw'r un peth dros y byd i gyd.
Ia, mae neges diw yn deud bod di...
Oes am pub dwi'n efo na?
Well, beans at it.
Yeah.
Oh, Yannick doesn't trust me. He knows I got a reputation for snapping him, so he doesn't trust me going on it.
I know. Have a little spin then, Tom.
Fucking little spin on that. Fucking hell, I wouldn't do any flip tricks with it just in case I did snap it. If I snap my own, it doesn't matter. Fucking hell, are you supposed to do flip tricks on anything on stand on that? That's a hell of a trick to try and stand on your board. That's Scott. Ah! Guy Chance, mine's broken.
Jordan, he said he'll give you a go.
You don't trust me.
In a minute, I'm filming something.
Fucking hell.
Say hello to the camera, Tom.
You look like solid there, look.
Why?
Yeah, see what? Yours is like fucking cat lad.
Chicken bone, I am.
Ja, film je af met daar skipot. Diolch yn fawr.
Ghetto reacts to warfare. Real bullets rush you while you're here. Survival of the fittest. Held for the 3-time losers. The prisoners of enemy maneuvers. Hold down the fort, cause life is short enough to get it taken. Forsaken where your mental plane's breaking. Concealing a 4 pound with every area we surround. Cause clown, I get down for my crown. Take it to the streets for the honor and respect. Connect the lethal. Plus my young guns are unbeatable. Aiding in the bed and the foul is a violation. That's why my retaliation is premeditation. The invitation is to run with a crew you can't do. And too great to infiltrate from a nickel plate. I state this be the illest ever known on a rush. Swerving with the crush. It's the funk vibe that we describe. into the world of shiesty individuals. A troubled man stalked by criminals. Creeping through the city, I stop on the block to chat with thugs, pump all the drugs for Fat Cat. Stepping off the set now, hand on my tool. Thinking how bad I want to flip on that man. Times are wasted, chasing these punks with petty loot. When there's a real mission to execute, I put the plan in effect. Forget what you heard when you get the word from first and third. For real, I got the famine, all my soldiers to feed. With the Yardie gunslingers on stash, pumping weed. Envision the prison that I walk through, leaving any witness when I'm about to handle my business. No escape from the duct tape and artillery. Now tell me, big man, where's the money? Ain't a damn thing funny. Get that loot. Cute. DJ Crush. CL Smooth. Made to make cash. Keep them alive. Strong survive. Like this show. And you don't stop. CL Smooth. Cops play for medals. Killers play for corners. In the middle are your sons and all your daughters. Who gives the orders to chaos and mayhem? Who has the proper guidance in mind to save them from this cold world of heartless ghetto dwellers? Pimps to prostitutes and dope sellers. Fellas, strive to be the lead, not follow. Ladies, you can be the queens of tomorrow. Dig it, I want all that and more for my peeps in the struggle to shelter. Food, clothing, and shelter is essential to maintain the hardcore from the soft that push me to the edge, but I can't fall off. My battlegrounds keep the sounds of babies crying.
Come first.
They're having a good time.
Sounds like Saturday hallucination effect.
This is a great place to raise your children.
Sounds like Saturday hallucinogenic effect.
This is a great place to raise your children.
DJ Youngster Specialist. Here to mess with your mind. Baseline bubbler. Right, you just locked. DJ Youngster, Toast, Joker D.
This is a great place to raise
Here to kill, here to thrill, entertain you. Hold tight, everyone locked. Around town, north, south, east, west. Picking up the west side. Hold tight, the Amsterdam crew.
Really great place to raise your kids. Very.
Picking up the Rotterdam crew.
We have here. Everybody looks out for everybody.
Oh yeah, bouncy, destruct, destroy, feel the weight, hold tight grind, take some paracetamol, sort yourself out, thin that blood down.
This is a great place to raise your children.
As we turn them over. Next chapter, next level. Youngster, Toast, Joker here to tell you the story. Yo, come with a wave.
Send me the line, send me the line, send me the line, I'm at the front at the father. Send me the line, iman at the father. Send me the line, every line, demon ti a fi a llawed y byd. Does dyna neb all torri'r hyd. Symud ymlaen, symud ymlaen. Edrych ymlaen i'r dyfodol ymlaen. It may not be different, but that is the hidden pocket. Different pocket, it's the hidden pocket. But the ever different, that is the hidden pocket. Dementia, he can help it to be it. That's the nothing ever, nothing to be it. Dementia, he can help it to be it. It's the it right there, but nothing to be it. Mescalero yn yr ardal. Mescalero yn yr ardal. Ti a fi all newid y byd. Does dim yn neb all torri ein hyd. Symud ymlaen, symud